Welcome back to another episode of our Boomsy TV. To all my subscribers, thank you all so much for your love and support. I really appreciate. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so, and don't forget to like, share, and give my video a thumbs up. If you have any question, kindly put it down below in the comment section. I'll get back to you. So today I want to show you how I make my yogurt fruit parfait, and these are the fruits that I'm using: kiwi, strawberry, blueberry, and I'm also using granola, honey, and yogurt. The first thing you want to do is to take 2 spoons of yogurt and add it to your cup. Then you add your fruits. You add your fruit one after the other. So the next thing is to add your granola. Then you go ahead and add yogurt. Yogurt. Then you go ahead and add your blueberry, your kiwi, your strawberry, you add your granola. Add your yogurt again. Then you have your blueberries, your kiwi. How colorful it looks. So now you're going to add your strawberry, add your strawberry, you add your granola, and you use the yogurt to top it. Yes. Now you want to add your So guys, look at that. Look So thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you for staying tuned to this channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you in my next video.